In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a transmission mount on your Buick Enclave. This will be located behind the driver's wheel. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 6 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a pair of clip pliers, remove the clips for the side splash shield. Pull the shield up. There's 2 more clips up top. Using an 18mm socket, remove the bottom nut on the transmission mount. Remove the nut. Remove the top nut for the transmission mount. Remove the nut. Using a jack, we're going to go right in the middle of the transmission on this seam. You can use a piece of wood or something soft to not mar the metal. We're going to lift on the transmission ever so slightly just so that the weight comes off of the transmission mount. Just right there. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to remove the top transmission bracket bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the bottom left transmission bracket bolt. Go up on the jack, pushing the transmission up. Lift up on the transmission mount and spin it. On the bottom of the mount, you'll find this little tab. Spin that to face you. I'm going to use a pry bar on that tab. We're going to very slowly and gently lift up until we get the mount to tilt. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to remove the last transmission bracket bolt. Remove the bracket bolt. Remove the transmission mount. Remove the new nuts off of the transmission mount. Get the transmission mount into place. Get the bottom right bolt started. We want to get this bolt most of the way in, but still have some wiggle on our mount. Using 2 pry bars, we're going to get the transmission mount seated. Get the far left transmission bracket bolt started. Snug down the bolts. Snug down the bottom right bolt. With our 2 bottom bolts started and our mount in place, we have to one more time pry it out of place to be able to torque our lower bolt. Pop the mount out, pull it to the front of the car, torque the bottom bracket bolts to 90 foot-pounds. Do the same thing on the front bolt. You don't need to pull the mount out to torque this back bolt. Go ahead and torque the bolt to 90 foot-pounds. If you needed to pull the mount out, we're going to use some pry bars. Put it back in place. Reinstall the mount. Be sure that the pin is set into place. Go down on the jack until the top of the bracket touches the transmission mount. Get the top right bracket bolt started. Snug the bolt down. Torque the bolt to 90 foot-pounds. Remove the jack. Install the top nut on the mount. Install the bottom nut. Snug the nuts down. Torque the bottom nut to 55 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Torque the top nut to 66 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the plastic clips. Install the 2 on the bottom. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. snug down the lug nuts. Torque the wheels to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.